Shopify Affiliate Program Review Usage Experience. In this video, I'll be reviewing the Shopify Affiliate Program based on my personal experience. If you're interested, links to the program are in the description below. Shopify is one of the leading e-commerce platforms, and its affiliate program offers a fantastic opportunity for anyone in the digital marketing or e-commerce space to earn commissions by promoting their platform. The Shopify Affiliate Program offers affiliates the chance to earn commissions for referring customers who sign up for a paid plan. For every new customer who starts a paid subscription, you can earn up to $2,000 per referrals. This is a high-ticket commission program, which makes it very attractive for marketers. The commission structure is based on the plans that customers choose. Referrals who sign up for higher-tier plans can earn you greater commissions. Shopify's program is designed for a wide range of individuals, from bloggers and content creators to those in online marketing, entrepreneurship, and even e-commerce coaching. It's a great fit for people who are already in the e-commerce space and can recommend Shopify's platform to others who want to build online stores. Shopify provides affiliates with a variety of marketing materials, such as banners, links, and even landing pages to make promoting their platform easier. One standout feature of Shopify's affiliate program is the robust affiliate dashboard that tracks your referrals and commissions in real time. They also provide you with helpful marketing resources and training to ensure you're able to market the program effectively and increase your conversions. In conclusion, the Shopify Affiliate Program is ideal for anyone looking to monetize their online audience, especially if they're in the e-commerce or digital marketing niche. With high commissions, great marketing tools, and a well-known brand, Shopify offers one of the best affiliate programs available. Be sure to check out the links in the description to start earning with Shopify today.